Welcome to the McDowell Sonoran Preserve in Scottsdale, Arizona. Today we're taking you on a scenic mountain bike ride on the Axle Grease and Hawknest trails. These two trails offer a mix of wide flowing turns and technical rock gardens, making for a dynamic and scenic ride through the desert. Our ride begins at Pima Dynamite Trailhead, located in the northern section of McDowell Sonoran Preserve. It's easy to access and offers plenty of parking, restrooms with running water, and drinking fountains. The trailhead is open from sunrise to sunset, and leashed dogs are welcome on the trails. These trails are open to mountain bikers, hikers, runners, and equestrians. Today, we'll be riding a loop starting on Axle Grease Trail before transitioning to Hawknest Trail. Our route covers approximately 8.4 miles with around 305 feet of elevation gain and takes about an hour to complete. We begin our ride on the Via Donna Trail before connecting with the Axle Grease Trail. These trails are known for their wide, flowing turns that wind through a classic Sonoran desert landscape. Towering saguaro cacti, cholla, and ocoteo line the trail as it gradually ascends. The decomposed granite surface provides a smooth and fast ride, making it a great warm-up for what's ahead. One of the highlights of Axle Grease Trail is its easy flow. Riders can maintain a steady pace as they navigate gentle curves and rolling terrain. Off to the south, Pinnacle Peak rises in the distance, while to the northeast, the rugged outline of Granite Mountain comes into view. After about 4 miles, we transition to Hawknest Trail, which offers a completely different riding experience. This section of the ride features tighter turns and narrow corridors that weave through rock gardens of large boulders. Unlike the smooth flow of Axle Grease, here riders need to navigate through some slightly technical sections that require precise bike handling. As we ride further on Hawknest Trail, the surrounding landscape becomes even more dramatic. The McDowell Mountains dominate the southern horizon, while to the northeast, the rugged peaks of Tonto National Forest stretch into the distance. This section of the ride is slower and a little more technical, offering a fun challenge for those who enjoy navigating rocky terrain. our loop, we connect with the Powerline Road to avoid the busier sections of the trail, making for a fast and enjoyable ride back to the trailhead. Thanks for joining us on this mountain bike ride on the Axle Grease and Hawknest trails. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more trail guides and outdoor adventures.